Right. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
කොහමද club එකේ වැඩ කටයුතු? Do you speak to other people?
Yes, sir.
What is the topic today? Second day topic.
Myself.
Very easy topic. Myself.
Yes.
Very easy topic. We practice them at the beginning of the basic class also, but we are practicing them again for the exam. Right? You have to record them. මේවා රෙකෝඩ් කරලා දාන හැටි ඔයාලට කියලා තිබුණ නැද්ද? ඒ පිළිබඳ තොරතුරු දීලා තිබුණ නැද්ද මේ විදියටයි දාන්නේ කියලා? No. Yes or no? No.
Yes, sir.
සර් ඒක
I
පොඩ්ඩක්
complete.
ආයෙ කියලා දෙන්න පුළුවන්ද?
එන්නේ
සර් ආයෙ ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් කියලා දෙන්න පුළුවන්ද?
සේරම තොරතුරු දානවා. ලිඛිතව දානවා වගේ group එකට අද.
ඕකේ සර්.
ඊට අමතරව කරන විදිය ඔය යටම තියෙන මගේ වීඩියෝ එකෙන් බලන්න. මේක බලමු නැති අය ඉන්නවද? ඔය යටම දාලා තියෙන group එකට වීඩියෝ එකක් දැක්කද? දැක්කද නැද්ද?
දැක්ක සර්.
ඒ වීඩියෝ එක බලපුවම කරන විදිය තේරෙනවා. රෙකෝඩ් කරලා සෙන්ඩ් කරන විදිය අද දායි. ඊළඟට මේ 34N කියන group එකේ අය ඉන්නවද? 34N spoken activity group එකේ අය. 34N. Is there any student today? Spoken club එක 34N. Is there anyone? No. Okay, let us start without taking time. Let us start talking about myself. අද ගොඩාක් අයට කතා කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි myself ගැන. Please start. Myself. දැන් බලන්නකෝ myself ගැන කතා කරන්න පටන් ගන්නෙත් නෑනේ. Why is
Good
that?
evening, sir.
Good evening.
Thank you for giving this opportunity for me. I am going to talk about myself. I am Priyangani. I am 57 years old. I want to talk about, firstly, I want to talk about my childhood. I was born in beautiful village that name is Angurwala. Why I tell that? There are so many mountains, paddy field, state like coconut, tea and rubber are there. A stream flows near the village. So I have two brothers and one sister, and my mother and parents. My two brothers are married. My my sister is unmarried, and she's a teacher. So I have gone to school. In my childhood, I went my village school till grade 5. And after I went to Kegol, Balika, till A level. I did my advanced level 1988. I could good results, but not enough for go to university. So I have done some courses after advanced level, like pharmacy course and Montessori course at Open University. Actually, but I never worked. So I am married with 2 children. My husband is an engineer, and my daughter also engineer, and my son is undergraduate. So as a mother and wife and daughter, I am so happy about myself. Thank you very much listening to my speech. Thank you.
Right. Is there anyone who is from 34N? 34N කණ්ඩායමේ කවුරුත් ඉන්නවද? Anyone from 34N? No one. Okay, then the next person can start. Myself.
Good evening, sir. Hello.
You can start. We are waiting.
Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Satsarani. I'm 22 years old. I live in Putlam. I studied at Madurankulya National School. I left school in 2022 with A-level exam. I did art subject and I have ABC passes. Now I hope to enter university. So my future ambition is to be a teacher. So if I talk about in my family, I'm single. I have a younger sister. Then she will be waiting her O-level results. My father is business himself, and my mother is housewife. These days, I self-teaching in a village government school. During my leisure time, read novels. Thank you very much listening my information.
මට ඒ වැඩේ කර Right. Another one, please.
Sir,
Yes.
today I'm going to speak about myself. I'm Tarushika and I'm 28 years old. My hometown is Ragama. I lived there since I was born. I went to 2 schools. For my primary education, I went to Basilica Primary College, and after scholarship exam, I went to Karunaratna Buddhist College and I did my A-levels at that college. After that, I entered to the university and now I worked as an assistant civil engineer at the Sunken Construction. There are 5 members in my family. They are my mother, father, my elder sister and my younger sister. My mother is Daisy Dyers. She is 57 years old and she is homemaker. My father is retired government server. he is 61 years old. And my parents are kind-hearted persons. My elder sister is married. She works at Caledonia Zonal Educational Office, and she has 2 daughters. My younger sister is still studying at University of Ruhuna in science faculty. I prefer to watch movies and listening music in my leisure time. Also, I like to read books. In my short-term goal is to improve my English spoken skills in this course. That's it. Sir.
Right. Is there anyone from 35N? Anyone from 35N? N කණ්ඩායමේ කවුරු හරි ඉන්නවනම් කියන්න. එහෙම නැද්ද? I'm asking once again, 35N වල අය ඉන්නවද? No one. 35N. 35N කණ්ඩායමේ කට්ටිය ඉන්නවද? Okay, next one please. Next one please. Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Chalani. I'm 25 years old. I'm from Horana. I studied at Royal College, Horana. I left
මට
school.
පොඩ්ඩක් චලනි පොඩ්ඩක් මට දැනගන්න ඕනේ. ඔයා කොලේක ලියාගෙන මෙහෙම කියවනවද නැත්නම් ඔයාගේ ඉංග්‍රීසි කියනවද?
නෑ සර් මගේ ඉංග්‍රීසි තමයි මම කියවන්නේ.
මේ කොලයා බලාගෙන නැහනේ?
නෑ.
Right. Okay. Continue.
I studied at Royal College, Horana. I did art subject and I have BCS passes. I looking for a job and I talk about my family. My family is my mother, father and me. Only child in the family. My ambition is to be a teacher. I studied external degree at University of Sri Jayawardhanapura. Thank you, sir.
Once again, I am asking, is there anyone from 35N? 35N කණ්ඩායමේ කවුරුත් ඉන්නවද? 35N spoken club. No. Right. Another one can start.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I'm going to speak about myself. I am Viduni. I am 20 years old, and I am from Polonnaruwa. I have mother, father, and one brother. My father is a agricultural research and production assistant, and my mother is a housewife. And also, my brother is university graduate. I went to Rajata College, and I faced the A-level exam last year, and waiting for the results. Actually, I wanted to learn English to improve my speaking skills. So I
saw the advertisement and now I am doing it. Thank you, sir.
සමන ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරනකොට වැරදුනාට කමක් නැහැ. එක්කෙනෙකුට හිතෙන්න පුළුවන් මට කතා කරන්න බෑනේ කියලා. නම ගම වයස කියාගත්තත් හරි චුට්ට පොඩ. එහෙම තමයි පටන් ගන්න. චුට්ට පොඩ. වැරදි පැටලි තමයි පටන් ගන්න. ඕක දන්නේ නැති අය ඇඹරෙනවා බය වෙනවා. වැරදි පැටලි. චුට්ට පොඩ වැරදි පැටලි. ඊළඟට මේ අහලා තියෙනවා අප්ලෝඩ් කරන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා රෙකෝඩින්ස් අප්ලෝඩ් කරන විදිය සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම ඔයාගේ ගෲප් එක දැනුවත් කරන නිසා දැනට යාළුවොත් එක්ක එකතු වෙලා මම කියන විදියට වීඩියෝ මේක කරලා තියාගන්න අප්ලෝඩ් කරන්න හැටි කියන්න. වැරදි පොඩ කතා කරන්න. Another one please.
Good evening, sir. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Sasika Jayawardena. I am 44 years old. I am from Ruwanella. I was educated at Ruwanella Royal College. I left school in 1999. I couldn't enter the university because I didn't have enough marks for it. I am married with one son. My husband is a businessman. I am following a diploma in English course at Slega College. My ambition is to get this diploma. During my leisure time, I watch TV. Thank you very much.
Right. Another one please. දිගටම කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්. One by one. එක එක්කෙනා.
I am thank you for giving to the this opportunity for talk about myself. I am Niloka. Then I level study Aligama Mahaviduhala. After then I work in Ministry of Health. Then I finished the caregiver courses. Now I am living in Gampaha, but I am here in Kuwait now working about caregiver, caring the patient. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, my name is Benu Sasinu and I am 20 years old. I went to Vidyalaya College and my town is Galle. I am a upper student and I am willing to my A-level exam. My family members are my father, my mother, and my brother. My brother is younger than me. And thank you very much.
Good evening, sir. Thank you for give this opportunity. I am Shirani. I live at Buttala. I am 54 years old, and I studied at Modutugamunu Central College at 1991 A-level class. I left my school 1991. I couldn't go to university, but not enough my marks. And now I'm married. Uh, and I have 2 children. My children are now workers. They are elder daughter software engineer, and my younger son lives at abroad. My husband works at Lanka Sugar Company, and me also. Now I am working, and I follow Slega College English diploma now. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Tatsarani. I live in Galle and I'm 19 years old. I studied at Garipan Girls College. I did A-level in last year. This day I expecting my A-level result, and I'm single. My family members are my mother, father, my sister, and my brother. My siblings are elder to me. Thank you.
Good evening, all of you. And good evening. Hello, I'm Anoma Gamage. My father is a farmer. My mother is a housewife, and I have one younger sister. She is a student. I did my O-level. I did my O-level at 2003, and I did my A-level at 2006. I did my A-level art stream. I have got two A's and B, but I can't enter to university. Then I follow computer course, English course, and etc. And so now I'm working at Education Ministry. I am a Bachelor of Arts, University of Columbia. My leisure time, I spend my leisure time in reading books, watching some YouTube channels, and some videos. I am single. Thank you. That's enough. Hello. Good evening. Hello.
Hello, good evening. Start you.
Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Menaka Elpitia from Chelania. I'm 53 years old. I studied at Chelania Gurukula College. I did A-level in 1990. I did commerce subject, and I have 2 A's and 2 B's. I left the school in 1990. I am married and have 3 children. My husband name is Rohan Ashoka. He is a businessman. He is very strong and brave person. He works very hard for our life. He is 65 years old. My elder daughter name is Malsha. She is married. She lives in Australia. She is an English teacher. My second child is a son. His name is Hans Sutter. He is an automotive engineer. And my youngest daughter is currently pursuing her bachelor's degree. Her ambition is to be a teacher. Before getting married, I worked as a teacher, and I have always been passionate about education and community service. Currently, I serve as the president of the village temple Buddhist Women Society, where I actively engage in religious and social welfare activities, supporting the well-being of our community and preserving our cultural values. Thank you.
Hello. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good
You people can
Hello.
continue. Continue.
Good evening, sir. I am from Anuradhapura. I work at, I'm from Anuradhapura. I am Balasurya. I work at Forest Department, Mulathu Range Office as Extension Officer. I am married. My wife is teacher. She work at Anuradhapura Walasinga Harichandra College. I have 2 children. They are studying. I am 53 years old. Thank you, sir. Okay, sir.
Hello, good evening. Good evening, all of you. My name is Tarang Ratnayaka. I am from Horana. I am working now Colombo Hilton. I am married. My wife is named my wife housewife and 2 children. Thank you, sir.
Hello, good evening. I am Sriyanti. I am 62 years old. I am from Kandana. I studied at Nayakanda Good Shepherd Balika Mahavidyalaya. I left in my school 1981 after A-level, and I am married. I'm married with Shirley. I have 3 children, 2 daughters and 1 son. My eldest daughter is an engineer, and my son and daughter are in abroad, and my one daughter is in Gampaha. I have 4 grandchildren. I am very happy about my life. During my leisure time, I am doing watching TV and gardening and reading books. And thank you very much for listening my short speech. Thank you.
Very much, darling.
Hello, good evening, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Taranga Madhumali. I'm 36 year old. I'm from Aturigiriya. I'm married. My husband name is Chiran Panila Vitanage. He is a photographer. I have one daughter. She's Ovini Aketya. She is 2.5 years old. And I left my school in 2007. My hobbies and garden and watching YouTube videos and cooking. My hopes, good woman for my child, and good mom, and my that's also. Thank you.
Hello, good evening, sir. Hello, I am Sarath Senaratna from Kirillavala. I am married, 52 years old. My wife is housewife. I am working in private company as a manager. I got 3 sons. Elder son is undergraduate ULS and private university sleep. Second son is studying Japanese language for the Negambu Japanese Institute. Youngest son is still studying Kadawatha Janadipati College. My school living years 1994. After that, I am followed BCom degree external, but unfortunately I can't complete it. End of the day, now joined Strega English Academy. I always trying to join my English class. Thanks all of you listen to my short speech.
Good evening. My name is Pavitra Madhushani. I'm from Matale. I studied at Sri Sangamita Girls National School, and there are 5 members in my family: my parents and my elder sister. My elder sister is a university student, and my mother is a teacher, and my father is a retired Gramanivadari officer. And my hobbies are watching TV, reading books, and watching YouTube videos. And my dream is to be a teacher one day. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Good evening, all of you. I am Shreya Herath. I am from Babulla. I'm a nurse at Teaching Hospital, Badulla. And I'm married with 3 daughters. Now I am 55 years old. My 3 daughters are employed and 2 of them are married. And my husband's name is Bandar Naik. He works in a private company. He always helps me at my household work. I am so happy of about it. And my youngest daughter is with me. Live with me, and my school is Badulla Central College, and I had 3 siblings, but my eldest brother is no more. My mother and father also no more. And my hobbies are reading books, gardening, and cooking. I am good at cooking, and I am so happy about of joining this class. I hope to do this job very well. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone. I am Rashmi. I am 25 years old. I am single. I am in Vallampitiya. I am working an account assistant now. I studied at Corona Balika Vidyalaya, and I did my A level in Max Stream and got 1 C and 2 S passes. Then I started an engineering course in Open University. In my family, father, mother, 2 brothers and 1 sister. Mother is a housewife and father is a printer. 2 brothers and 1 sister are school student. So then finally I hope become an electrical engineer in my future. Thank you.
I am Hiruni Saubhagya Heva Arachchi. I am 19 years old. I am from Ratnapura. I am after A-level student. I am waiting for my A-level exam result. I am study at Ratnapura Sivali Central College. There are 4 members in my family. I live with my mother, my father, and my brother. I am elder one is my family. My hobby is reading novels. My ambition is an air hostess one day. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shanika Madhuvanti Munisinghe. I'm
Hello.
27 years old and I am working as assistant pharmacist. I'm from Ratnapura. There are 5 members in my family. My father, mother, and I have 2 brothers, elder brother and younger brother. My elder brother is Amita Madhusankar. He is a gem businessman. And my younger brother is Amita Madhusankar. He is a teacher. My father is Cyril Munasinghe. He is gem. My mother is Dhammika Nishanti. She is housewife. These days I following I following pharmacy course because I want to be a pharmacist. Okay, thank you. Hello, good evening all. I am here. Hello.
Hello? Yeah, you can hear.
Continue.
Hello.
Yeah, Shiani, I can hear you.
No. I tell before call one.
Hello, telling something.
Hello,
Speaking.
Yes, Sonali.
I am Shamali. I am from Ratnapura. I am for I am for 2 years. I am married. My husband is businessman. I have one child. I did A-level exam in 1990. I am I have one brother. He's married. My hobby is reading and growing flowers and watching TV. Now I write in his learning business. Now I join the diploma courses, say the college. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. Hello. Good evening, all of you. I am
Good
Sasankar.
evening. Okay.
I am from Mongrala. There are four members in my family. I have two brothers. I am studying Ocean University in Sri Lanka. My favorite color is red. My favorite hobby is cricket. My father is hospital attendant. My brothers are school student. Younger brother is grade 12. My youngest brother is grade 18. Thank you.
Good evening, all of you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Vinithu Bandare. I am 20 years old. I live in Gampaha. I studied in physical science stream. I studied at Sri Dharmala College, Kalaniya. My family has 4 members. My father is a businessman. My mother is a nurse. I have one brother. He studied in grade 11. My ambition is to be an engineer. Thank you.
Hello. Good evening. I'm going to talk about myself. I am Anne Fernando. I'm 50 years old.
Good evening, all of you. I am Samanthi from Detalava. I am a nurse. I studied at Bandarala Central College. I am married.
Hello. Hello. Miss Samanthi, please continue your speech now.
Hello. Good evening, all of you.
Good evening.
From Detalava. I am 48 years old. I am working at Place Hospital, Detalava as a nurse. My hometown is Bandarala. I studied at Bandarala Central College. I left from school in 1996. I am married with 2 children. He is studying at Navaloka College, Colombo. Other one is a daughter. He's doing A level this year. My husband was work at Sri Lanka Air Force. Now he's pensioner. I have two sisters and two brothers. My brothers are two each. One of is a public health inspector. Other one is businessman. My elder sister is working at bank. Another one is a nurse. All of are married. My mother is housewife and father is pensioner. My hobby is gardening. That's enough. Thank you for listening this.
Hello. I'm going to talk about myself. I'm Anne Fernando. I'm from Anuradhapura, and also I'm 50 years old, and I'm married with two children. Elder one is son, and younger one is daughter. My daughter is studying yet, and my elder son is working now, and also he's married. I'm a housewife. My favorite color is light blue, and I like to my hobbies are growing flowers and singing a song and watching TV, etc.
Hi guys, good evening to you all of. I think I can hear you.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
At the moment, I'm going to introduce about myself. I would like to thank all of you, and I would like to thank once again. I thank to our teacher for giving us such a good opportunity for me. I'm Gayan from Bentota. I'm 38. First of all, I should talk about my family. I have two brothers and two sisters. My mother was passed away just 3 months ago. My father is along. I got married. My wife is housewife at the moment. I am working in Sri Lanka Navy. I have been working for more than 16 years now. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes. All.
Yes.
Then I got my basic study at Gailakaka Mahavidyalaya. Then I shift to Sumanga College for giving advanced level. I did in 2004. I did my O level in 2001. I remember when I was since my childhood, I like to play cricket, volleyball, like that. And after A level, I did some works. I have some experience in industrial field also. In 2009, I joined to the Navy. Then I'm working in Sri Lanka Navy. I have for 16 years experience so far. Still, I'm working in Colombo. My hobbies, there are lots of hobbies for me. when I have free time, I usually see Tamil movies, and therefore I like to see all the cricket match as well as volleyball also. Mm, Then after in 2002, I remember when I was advanced level period, mm, I had some bad friends. So as a result, above I mentioned, I was unable to get single credit, single passes for the advanced level. This is unfortunate incident in my life. However, after the 5 years, I joined Navy. This is my change in decision in my life. I think I have told what I did in my life. Thanks to you, all the guys who are gathering here, and thanks all of you. As well as once again, I thankful our teacher. Thank you.
Hello. Hello, good evening, all of you. I'm Kanti. I live in Kandy. I have two children and I got married. Surveyor. He's a surveyor. I got married. I have two children. Now they are working. The elder one is 27 years old. Younger one is 25 years old. I do my own business, and I like to play netball and everything. I went to Kebul Balika in my school. I studied commerce scheme. Then I live in Kandy. I like to cook and everything. Thank you very much. All of you.
Hello, good evening, everyone. I am talk about myself. I am Kumari from Kurunegala. I am 54 years old. I am married. I have one son, and I have one sister and one brother. They are living with my parents. I am housewife. Just
Good evening, all of you. I am Sanjay. I am 41 years old. I am married. My wife is this housewife. She went to the school, Istanbul Sangapodi National School. I went to the school, Develpul Anandam Vidyalaya. I have one daughter, one son. I have